Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Martin Lee. I'm the founder of Grafmarine. The marine sector has to decarbonise. Currently, the maritime sector is responsible for 3% of all global emissions. Grafmarine's initial target market is to target the following sectors in the marine sector, particularly tankers, passenger bulk carriers, shipping and vessels that are up to 85% of those emissions within the sector. That's targeting 368 tonnes of carbon every year. In terms of value, that initial market is worth 16.7 billion. There's legislation coming through at the beginning of next year that will force shipping to be compliant with greener regulations and decarbonisation going forward. That will affect 114,000 ships. This is our team. This is our core team, our original chairman, Richard, our engineer, Chris, our financial director, Darren, myself, and our commercial director, Nigel, who's over there. We've worked with a number of different organisations through this journey, some really interesting project partners through that process to get to where we are now. This is the product. I'll hold it here. This product is a tile. It can be applied to any flat surface. We can put these onto ships, we can put them onto shore, we can put them onto anything, and it creates power. Not only does it create power, it creates continual power. So the top is solar on this version. We will do other versions as well with different technologies, and underneath is energy storage. We can put these tiles out in groups, we call them clusters, and what these clusters do is provide continual power to assets, shipping, onshore assets, where there's no access to power or where we need to create clean power. So our initial target sector, as I mentioned, is shipyards, power system installers, and we're looking for naval architects and ship designers to integrate this technology into their ships going forward as well. So we can retrofit, but we can also move with new technology as well, new builds. Our competition, the diesel engine sector, which will have to change. After 2025, there'll be no more allowance to build fossil fuels driven ships as the main source of propulsion. The marine hybrid systems, again, it's all non-green energy, it's all fossil fuel energy, so it's all going to have to change. There's rigid sails out there, and there's fletter motors and marine scrubbers, again, all linked back to either fossil fuels or are limited by what they can actually provide. We are unique in this space. There is no other company we are aware of that is doing what we're doing. What we've got is a 10-year roadmap. We want to bring in different technologies. Our current contribution to shipping is about 10% of the energy. We want to go to about 40%. These are our partners. So at the moment, we're testing with the offshore renewable energy catapult. We're testing with a port, and we're going to be testing by the end of this year with a shipping company as well. And we aim to roll out into further projects early next year, into next year, towards a full-size system. What we're asking for initially is a £2 million investment, followed by a £3 million investment towards commercialisation. And from there, we go into profitability. We project the company, as it is at the moment, to be worth about 7.2 million. By 23, once we've got things moving, to 22, and then by 24, we target 60 million valuation. Thank you.